the deal with this purple primer? Well, hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving right into something super exciting. Color correction makeup primers, you guys, especially the purple one. It's not just a pretty shade, you guys. Yes, it is purple, but they can actually work for a brightening and even out your skin tone. So you're gonna see a big transformation. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use it and sharing you some personal tips and revealing the amazing benefits it can bring to your gorgeous complexion. So let's get started. If you have melanated skin similar to mine, you might be wondering how unique hues can enhance your beauty routine. How this can work. This is another Amazon finding. This came from this company right here, you guys, and I'm going to show you how I use this, because as you see, I have super dark marks under my eye, discoloration skin color, and high pigmentation and aging spots. So if you guys wanted to know how to use this properly, you're at the right video. So I like how they put a nice clear like plastic on it because it keeps everything in shape, intact. So just wish I had nails right now, you guys. All right. Oh, and I do have castor oil on my face, you guys. I slept with it on my face, so that's why I look very greasy. But I think that's gonna like help make my makeup look better. Of course, I'm gonna wash it off, but it's getting rid of all those. Oh, it's making a mess, but it's okay. Oh, the box is really cute. Now, not only they have this purple shade, you guys, they also have the green one, but this video is all about the purple one because this is the one that's gonna work for me. I'll be right back. I'm going to wash this face. All right, now I have a fresh, clear face, super clean. I didn't put nothing on it. My skin is very hydrated right now. Usually it's really dry, but I did sleep with a massive amount of castor oil on my face, but so I'm loving it. Okay, it looks good. I'm going to apply this first. Even though some people put a moisture or they put vitamin C, I just really want to see how well it performs. So we're not going to put too much things on the face. We're going to make it very simple and easy just to see. I really want to highlight underneath the eyes. So I'm going to dab that area, the corner of the mouth, and going up in the crease. And it doesn't look, it's very light purple, like an Easter purple. So we're going to go in here like this, and you can do it with a brush, but you know, I washed my hands. I want to brighten up around my eyes, you guys, so I'm gonna dab it right in this crease here. So weird spot. If you got darker circles than me, then you might want to apply more, but that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna let it set for a little bit, and I'm actually gonna start blending it. But I'm going to blend it very slowly and softly. I want to bring in some light color right in here because it's always darker tone. Okay. Now that I have it in all the places, I want to just highlight and just, you know, distinguish. Oh yeah, you guys, from BS Mall is these beautiful brush kit that I got. And these are the brushes that I'm going to use today. Ooh, this one's really cute. Okay, keep in mind, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm just your everyday girl, just like you, trying to learn how to do makeup. But from trial and error, from like doing it wrong so many times, I kind of got that point of it now. And if you do like how I usually apply my makeup, then you'll like this. I like J-Lo look, Beyonce look. Like, I like that glow. It has to have like extremely natural glow look. But if you're a girly girl that likes smoky eyes and all that, then I don't do that. So I don't want to waste you guys' time. So you see how I'm doing it like a raccoon face? And then I just want this temple. I just want to brighten it up in this area. Okay, so now I'm going to explain exactly I'm blending, but exactly what the benefits of using this and adding this to your makeup collection. Because I mean, we don't need to be buying no more stuff for our face, right? But this, I've been seeing an improvement. I think I want it balanced. I feel like this is not low enough and that's too high. All right, I'm thinking that's looking much better now. I'll let it just melt on the face a little bit. Oh, I might need some right in there. Hope you guys are having a great day today. I'm out here where all these fires are taking place. It's getting out of control. So I'm staying indoors because the air quality is not so good. Now, I like it specifically light around my lips because it makes my lips look fuller. But if you already have natural full lips, then you might not, you could just skip that part, okay? That just makes my lips pop. But some people already have natural big lips. They don't have to like highlight it too much. All right, I think I got all the spots. Everything is looking really good. All right, yeah, I still use MAC. You guys, these are really good brushes. If you're looking for very affordable brushes that won't bring strokes and it won't like shed all over your face, then BMS Mall, I'll put the link down below. Just like with this primer, I'll put it down below as well. So I don't like a lot of makeup, you guys, but of course I can't just be like this. So the benefits of using this corrector makeup primer, especially this beautiful purple hues, is to cover and blend, you know, and brighten up the areas and the dullness, like the darker areas. The collection giving your skin a more radiant look. It actually helps even toning the skin. If you have yellow or gold undertones in your skin, similar to me, then this purple primer can help neutralize those tones, leading to a more balanced and even skin tone, you guys. For real though. Smoothing base for makeup, that's what this does too. The primer creates a smooth canvas, helping more evenly and lasts actually a lot longer. I've noticed that. This can be practically helpful for like anybody that has like discoloration skin color or melasma. That's what I had. Even tone. So if you have yellow or gold undertone in your skin, a purple primer, this one right here, you guys, this purple primer can help neutralize those tones, leading to a more balanced and even tone. It can also smooth the base for makeup primers, creating a smooth canvas, helping makeup apply more even and last longer. This can be practically helpful for like any skin condition, you know what I mean, to really cover that melasma. This helps your makeup last longer too. Now look at it, isn't it starting to look good, you guys? And all I've been doing is just dabbing a little bit of this powder foundation. You can do a contour powder, you can do more of a liquid or more of a paste, you know, but like I said, I wanted a very natural makeup vibe look. I just wanted to really show you how well this can correct your complexion, or especially in those areas that need the help the most. One good thing about this color correcting primer makeup, it can actually hydrate your skin too. And many primers are also contain a hydration ingredients which can help benefit your skin moisture, especially for the people that have dry combination skin. All right, so the biggest tip, you guys, if you decide to go ahead and purchase this, the link is down below, but the main thing, and that I showed you in this video that actually worked, is use it first. That's the key thing, you guys. So when using this purple primer, it's important, very important, to apply it separately and blend it well. for best results. Yes, for the best results. Blend it well and apply it first. And then everything else, it'll just come. Look at that, you guys. That looks amazing. You see how it just woke me up? Wow. I always put makeup on my neck. I hate when those faces, like your face looks so strange and your neck is like a whole different color. You gotta blend and you gotta get the ear too. You don't want to have that like, well, that's for the girly girls that like, you know what I mean, natural look, and that's what I'm into. But if you're into like, you want to look like you have a bunch of makeup on your face, then go right ahead and not do your neck. So those are the end results. I guess this video was very helpful because I've noticed a lot of people in the comments were like, oh, I like your makeup. What are you using? What do you do? And yeah, I'm using a color corrector primer that's purple from this company right here. And it's another Amazon finding. I mean, there's some great things on Amazon right now, you guys. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I want to see your beautiful face again, and I don't want you to miss out on some of my other videos that I talk about hair tips. I mean, look at these curls, girl. And my hair is growing so much longer, and I talk about wonderful try-ons and clothes and fashion tips. So you might as well just subscribe to my channel if you watch the video all the way to the end.